Well, hi everybody, Mindy here. Today is Friday, it's April 14th, 2023, and we had another very slow week for my EA this week. That makes 3 slow weeks in a row, so we're making up for those really good weeks that we had, about a month ago. But what I want to show you, we'll go over here to the Excel spreadsheet that I'm keeping. Now, actually, right now it's about 3:30 in the afternoon where I live. The Forex market will not close for another 30 minutes, but I'm closing up shop for the day just because nothing much is going to happen between now and 4 o'clock. So anyway, here's our results for this week. That would be line 17 for April 9th to tomorrow, which is April 15th. I only had $194.80 in closed trades this week, which isn't very much, okay? When measured against our $10,000 balance, that's 1.9% for this week. There were only 7 total closed positions this week. That's the worst week so far. And there were only 5 new original trades, one of which is still open, okay? And I did absolutely 0 manual trades this week, okay? So to show you what that looks like in the account, here's the account, and these are the open positions. So all of this stuff from here down to here is stuff from last week and the week prior. And I did absolutely nothing to try to correct this situation this week because honestly I was busy doing other things this week, okay? But we do have one original trade that went in today on the 14th. Now that trade a little while ago, it did hedge. So that original trade is hedged, and we have a quick fixer that was created by the EA, right? Now, there's a high likelihood that before 4 o'clock, this quick fixer might have an opportunity to buy out that hedge. So that could happen in the next half an hour. But I'm not really going to worry about it if it does, because I'm only going to be here about 5 more minutes, okay? Now, when we go to the account history, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go set the custom period so you guys can see that I'm really doing this for this week, which started on the 9th and then goes to today. And this is the entire list of closed positions for this week. And what we see is we had a couple of canceled trades, okay? And then we had 1, 2, 3, 4 original trades, okay? We still have one that's open, so that's our 5. We had 1 hedge trade, 1 quick fixer trade, and 1 series trade. And that was it. Slowest week I can remember seeing for a long, long time. But the whole point about Forex is you never know what the market is going to offer, okay? Now, it very well could be that if we were using a different trading strategy, we might have had a very good week this week. If we were trend traders and had gotten into trades early in the week, the way the markets moved this week, where they just kind of creeped along all week long, but they kind of kept going in the same direction, whether that was up or down depending on the pair. A trend trader might have had a really good week this week, but that's not the kind of trading that the Magic EA does, okay? And so what we need to get good trades with the Magic EA is we need a lot of volatility and we need a lot of velocity in the price moves. And we did not have that this week. And I blame that on a lot of things. It could be that a lot of the big professional bank traders are still taking spring break this week. Maybe none of them came back to work, right? The market sure didn't act like it had any bank traders and hedge fund traders in the market this week. So that might be part of it. A lot of it might be that, people are just holding back on their trading because there's so much going on in the world with the potential world war coming up. If we don't get out of this Crimea situation and the situation with China. And so it could be that a lot of people are just holding back on their trading. But anyway, this is what we have. Not a lot to talk about this week. Hopefully next week will be much better, and I think it will be. But I'll let you go for today. There's no point in wasting your time yapping about stuff that didn't happen. But if you do want more information on the Magic EA, just come to my website, mindyyost.com, and I can answer any questions that you have. If you want to get a hold of me by email, my email address is right up here at the top of my webpage. Okay? So I look forward to talking to you again next week. Have a great weekend, everybody. Happy trading. Bye for now.